Now, once your offer has been accepted, it's time to open up escrow. The escrow company is a neutral third party who helps through the process. They will also work with the title company to make sure the property has a clear title, meaning there are not any outstanding lien on the home, and also that the home is actually owned by the seller and it can be sold to you. Now it's time to get inspection done on the home, review disclosure from the seller, secure the loan for the property, and get the appraisal done. It's such an exciting time, but we need to make sure that we're on top of everything so we don't miss any contractual timeline. It's very important we keep those. If you are securing a loan on the property, it's imperative that you are in a regular communication with your lender so we can secure your financing. In regards to the appraisal on the property, the goal is for the appraisal to come in at the value we are in contract for. But if it doesn't, depending on what we negotiated in the contract, we may need to go back and negotiate the price with the seller. Now, we are also working toward getting final loan approval so we can order loan documents. Once you know the home has appraised for what you are in contract for and your loan is secure, you're one step closer to home ownership. During this time frame, we will order inspections for the property. Typically, we recommend you do a termite, roof, and professional home inspection. Depending on the property, there may be other inspection that needed to be done, and we can advise you on that. Once all of the inspections are done, we will meet to review the reports along with the disclosure from the sellers. This is when we will discuss all of the documentation and decide if any items in the homes need to be repaired or if we need to request any credits for repair from the sellers. There are a lot of things that happen once our offer gets accepted, and this is just a few. Call us at Ace Estate and we can have one of our buyer specialists get in contact with you to make the process as easy as possible. And as always, we're here to turn dreams into reality, one home at a time.